Alright, so we're checking out the RunCam Night Eagle HD. So this is a DJI first generation camera. In my particular package here, it came with the RunCam Link video transmitter, or formerly known as the Vista. And yeah, with this package, it comes with the air unit plus the connector and the antenna. And here's a sort of close-up look at the camera without the back and the cable connected. You can see it's kind of has a long nose. The distance from the screw hole to the front lens is about 17 millimeters. And here's the weight of the camera without the back and the screws, and there's the weight with the back and the screws. So this camera is a black and white camera. You don't get any colors even in daytime. Here's a little example of what it looks like in the day, in the middle of the day, bright sunshine. The sky should be blue, but everything is black and white. So obviously this camera is mainly going to be used for nighttime applications. I did compare this to the Polar Nano in the same area where I normally fly at. You can see when you compare the Polar Nano image to the Night Eagle image side by side in the very darkest of areas side by side, the Night Eagle will show more details in those really dark areas. So this is primarily going to be better for those places that you want to fly at where there's almost no ambient light. There happens to be a full moon out on this particular flight, but if you got almost no ambient light, the Night Eagle will perform better than the Polar. Now, of course, the Polar is more versatile. You can use that during the daytime and nighttime, and it shows you colors in the daytime. Okay, so I just want to show you what it looks like mounted in one of my little micros here. You can see I have a pretty long nose there on the camera from where the screw hole is to the front lens. It's a very long lens. So you probably want to take account of the dimensions of this camera before you put into your quad and make sure that it will be able to fit into your quad. Alright, I'm going to do a quick hidden giveaway here for those of you that have clicked on the video and watched it within the first 3 hours. If you know the date that this frame first appeared on my channel, I will be selecting a winner for this stack that I pulled from an old build that I'm no longer using. So it's a 20x20 F405 flight controller, 20 amp 4-in-1 ESC. You got a FreeSky receiver, video transmitter, and a camera. So you just need to put this to a frame with some motors, and you pretty much have a quad. The rules will be in a pinned comment down in the comment section. And you should put your response to the question I had regarding the date that this frame first appeared on my channel as a reply to the pinned comment. All the rules will be in the pinned comment as well. The winner will be announced shortly after, basically within after 3 hours. Shortly after that, it will be announced in the video description. It will not be announced in the comments. Typically, scammers will try and lure people through the comment section to say they won something, but they can't alter the video description. Only I can do that. So I will announce that in the video description with information on how to contact me. Anyway, here's the rest of the flight footage from the Night Eagle. I'll put the Polar Nano flight footage, the complete flight footage, at the end as well, and you guys can do your own side-by-side comparisons if you want. That'll cover for this video. Talk to you guys in the next one.